Well, there is still plenty of interest in Bitcoin despite its price falling in value recently. So far this year, it's been on a downward trend as some global authorities talk about potentially banning the cryptocurrency. But for some, Bitcoin's use goes beyond monetary. Amin Rafi spent 3 years in Europe living on Bitcoin as a contractor and asked to be paid in the cryptocurrency.
I would use it to pay my rent, my daily expenses, and find ways where I can exchange it for cash.
The self-labelled crypto-anarchist says for him it's not a money-making exercise, rather a way to control his personal freedom.
Once you have a choice, it's very empowering because you can be like, well, my government is going into hyperinflation, what can I do? The choice then becomes, why don't I exchange some of my money into crypto?
When you are transacting to enter the Bitcoin market, to buy Bitcoin and then use it, there's no support from the government to say that that transaction is in fact valid.
The lack of consumer protection concerns Stephen Koukoulas.
There's already been a few scandals where the Bitcoin transactors have gone bust and people have been unable to access their money. That causes me a lot of grief.
At the weekend, a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange was hacked, more than $500 million stolen. The fallout impacted Japanese pop group the Virtual Currency Girls. They're partly paid in cryptocurrency, but their account was frozen. It highlights the need for users to understand the risks, spreading their holdings and backing up their savings.
If they don't feel like they can keep it safe, then they shouldn't really be doing it.
As the debate continues about the viability of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, what seems to have universal support is the technology behind them, blockchain.
The blockchain technology is allowing for the settlement of transactions to occur instantly and without the risk of the third party in the middle of the transaction.
While organisations like the ASX investigate how it can use blockchain, some say its use goes beyond finance.
So currently you can have university computers kind of trying to solve problems such as how proteins fall and diseases occur, or searching for interstellar activity.
We're clearly talking about the higher risk, higher potential reward scenario. So any investor going into this space must be prepared to lose everything they put into it because nobody knows the future.